We made Little Chef's favorite Tanghulu, the shiny, crunchy fruit snack that cracks when you bite it.
Okay.
In a pot, combine 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. Heat it on medium, no stirring, and let it bubble until it hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, or the hard crack stage.
Okay.
While that's cooking, get a bowl of ice water ready. You'll use this to instantly cool the sugar shell later.
It is too much.
When the syrup's ready, dip your skewered fruit and turn it to coat in that glassy glaze. Then quickly dunk it in the ice water. This helps the sugar set fast and adds an extra layer of crunch. Let them dry for a minute, or take a bite now if you can't wait. Crunch, that's Tanghulu magic.
Okay, let me try one.